What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, as you probably already know, crypto does not look good today. It looks absolutely horrendous. It is completely flipped. And a lot of people are saying, hey, crypto is going to zero, right? We have different, people coming out with predictions saying crypto is coming to zero or going to zero. Um, we have a lot of people that are just negative towards the markets because of everything that has happened in the past. But, as we try and give out predictions, it's so tough to give out any predictions in today's markets. And not just because, like, oh, people can't read the charts or, we see some little thing that ends up turning something. No, it's something big. Every time we see something big, right? Whether it's, inflation that's messing things up, interest rate hikes that's messing things up, announcements, constant government announcements that really collapse crypto, businesses that are falling, crypto businesses that are going out of business, right? Whether you see exchanges that are going bankrupt, or you even see cryptocurrencies such as Terra Luna Classic and USTC falling off, and maybe some, depegging of some stable coins, right? We're just seeing so many different things, so many outside factors that are contributing to this drop that we are seeing every single time, right? We saw this down to an $800 billion market cap, pushed all the way up to a 1.12 or $1.13 trillion market cap. And now we're seeing it fall again based on some other outside factors. While people ask me all the time, what is your prediction, Matt? What's going to happen with the crypto market? My prediction has to have some sort of asterisk next to it, right? It has to have just a caveat or something, right? Where I'm basically saying this is my prediction, but if we have an outside factor or some sort of variable that takes place, I mean, that kind of goes away from what you see in the chart, because it's not just based on what you're seeing in the movement and the historical data, because this has not happened historically. All of these things have not happened together. Ever really. So I wanted to talk about this and really break down what's happening in the market right now. Look at the crypto market as a whole, because things definitely got a lot worse since I did my live stream this morning. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also down in the description. And don't forget about my referral links if you guys want to sign up for some crypto exchanges. But maybe this is the right time to invest for a lot of people. But it just all depends, how long you're willing to hold, because it looks like this may continue for a little bit. But anyways, I wanted to start this video before we get into the detail and break down all the different pieces. I wanted to start this video by saying, look, this is not financial advice. And I'm not saying this because I'm trying to protect my own ass or anything. I'm saying this because I want people to really do a ton of research into positions that they are buying. Whether you look at something as simple as Bitcoin, because everybody knows about Bitcoin and the movement and what the use case will potentially be for, but just diving in to it a little bit more and getting a little bit more research and doing something outside of just what this video is or what other videos are. Do your own research within it and make your own decision. Don't make a decision based on what other people are saying, or solely based on what other people are saying. But anyways, if we look at the crypto market right now, it's down about 3.79%. We're seeing this at a $967 billion market cap. And this is different from where we were earlier this morning at a $993 billion market cap. So almost dropping $30 billion in the matter of a few hours. So definitely seeing it fall quite a bit. And if we look at Bitcoin's dominance, that has also decreased because a lot has come out of Bitcoin, where you're seeing 0.6% decrease in Bitcoin's dominance. But that's not to, raise any concern, because you're still seeing 41.67% Bitcoin dominance, which we've seen it all the way down to like 37 or 38%. So it's not that big of a deal to really deal with that. But you can see that Bitcoin is trending. Right below that, you see Bitcoin's down about 5.1%, and all the way down there, you're seeing a 5.2% as an accurate update. But in the last 24 hours, it's been moving quite a bit in the wrong direction, as well as seeing Shiba Inu trend in the wrong direction. Now, I do have some information on Shiba Inu, but we'll get into that in the SHIB video that we're going to have later today. But if we scroll down here and look at some things, we're seeing Bitcoin again that's down by 5.3%, Ethereum that's down by 4.1%. You're seeing BNB down by 3.39%, XRP 4%, Cardano down by 3.8%, 11% in the last 7 days. That's something you want to look out for because that's similar to what you're seeing with the drop with Bitcoin. Dogecoin is down by 14% in the last 7 days, 15% for Polygon, 20% for Solana, down to $17.59. Look out for that as a buy opportunity because a lot of times you're going to see Solana really push up hard, and it's down 6% on the day. So definitely look out for that. Look very closely. Shiba Inu is down by 12 or 13% in the last day, which is come at a wrong time, right? It's making me think that they're not going to release Shibarium or the beta of Shibarium anytime soon. They said that it was going to come this week, but we'll definitely talk about that in a video coming soon, maybe later today. But yeah, a lot of things are down. Avalanche, scroll down here, continue. Cosmos is down by 13% in the last 7 days, 5% today. Let's see what's the largest drop here. If we have anything notable, that is a very large drop. So we have ApeCoin that's down by 8.8%. That's definitely notable. 16% in the last 7 days, almost 17% in the last 7 days. If you look at how things have dropped in the last 7 days, Stacks is down by 36%. You're seeing AGIX is down by 33%. So it looks like some AI positions may be dropping quite a bit. Again, Solana down by 20%, Terra Luna Classic down by 21% in the last 7 days. That's something we have to really look into as well. But anyways, things are down a lot, right? So what's going on, right? We have liquidations, we have information where we have CPI data that's supposed to be coming out soon, so that may be more negativity on top of what this negativity is. As long as, if we are seeing, inflation increase, then that could be some increased negativity. But Bitcoin Ether fall after go-to crypto bank Silvergate announces liquidation. So crypto prices fell Thursday after Silvergate, a bank that has been at the center of the industry's growth, made a decision to shut down. Bitcoin dipped 2%, which obviously it's dipped a lot more than that since then, according to Coin Metrics. Ethereum lost 2% and was last trading at 1,527. And where you see they are right now, again, let's go by market cap. And we're going to see Ethereum is below the 1,500 mark and Bitcoin is below 21,000 right now. So definitely seeing a little bit of a hit there. And that's mainly the reason as to why we are seeing that. A lot of money that's on the outflow for Bitcoin. And when you do see bigger banks or exchanges or firms that, get liquidated or shut down, you're going to see a lot that ends up pulling out with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is probably looked at as the most consistent mover. And a lot of these firms and banks and bigger traders, bigger investors, whales, look to Bitcoin and Ethereum as those top holders, as you are seeing there. But yeah, that's definitely something we kind of want to look out for, keep an eye on. But crypto completely flipped, and a lot of people are believing that, this may go to zero. Now, in my opinion, I don't believe cryptocurrency will go to zero. Cryptocurrency will still be traded either way, and it's going to take some time or some build up. It'll have some trust issues. I'll tell you that, especially with all the exchanges and banks and businesses that are kind of going out of business and going bankrupt and liquidating and doing all the things that we don't want to see as crypto investors. So we'll have to see how all this plays out. I'm not panicking and, pulling out all of my money here. I'm not selling everything or anything like that, which would be a great video title. But guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of those links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one.